Good morning, everyone. I thought I would just jump right into this with the help of some caffeine and explain a couple of things of what I'm doing. If you got to see my large video out there, you know I am cut back on those large videos probably till next year sometime. I just don't have the time, but I don't want to waste any time here either. So my main base is Pinterest. And if you want to check that out, there's thousands of journals there to get ideas from. And I thought now that my Instagram got a little busier, I can start doing some physical working on here. However, I'm not going to jump into lives. I don't like pressure, and I don't have to do pressure now at this point in my life. So just wanted to show you a couple things I'm working on. In the past couple of posts, it shows the really pink one. It's got the bow on it. This is this. I am working on it for a customer at the moment. Hers I did a little larger because she's a VIP. And I'm also going to make one for myself because I really don't have much of this left. But you know who you are. She's coming out lovely. So she's going to be done in the next couple of days here. And these are the ribbons that I chose. Well, they are on it. I'm working on that. I just got this really lovely package from my buyer. Isn't she sweet as ever? Look at this gorgeousness. So I thought I'm going to do something I never do. I never do this. So this is a new one that I started, which I'm not going to put out right this second. But I did show you, ladies, and this is for that one over there. These two lovelies here. I never do this, and they're good. My customers are here. My VIPs are here. They can contest to it. I never do this. On occasion, my girls buy me a journal, but I told them to stop doing that because I don't have any more room. And I have so many orders I'm going to be doing. It's going to fill up all this empty space I just emptied until they're all shipped. You know, I have different shipping times for the VIPs, but I'm keeping her, and I'm keeping her. I am. So I am going to use this beautiful lace here for her. And I did a flip through in there, in the back of this one. She's beautiful, right? I know this is I'm only doing 3-minute ones here, maybe 10 once I'm really getting into this, because I have to be able to put it on Pinterest or I don't do them. So I'm going to add this beautiful lace I just got, and there's more for other journals I'm making for the shop. But I have 7 covers started already with all those prints that you saw in this size, and then the 7 in my larger size with the various 2 packages of papers that I've been using. So the covers are already started, ladies, for the fall. And once they're gone, they're gone. So I decided to keep her. I just don't want to give her up. And I'm going to use the tags that I designed. And she's going to be sticking out here, so you can see her a little better. And then on the back side, I'm going to do the same. And they come with little packages. The tags come with little packages. They're a little fuller than this. And I don't know, there's about 30 between the packages. So you can add them into your journals. They're ephemera. These are lovely. They have all the new fabrics. They're lovely. And guess what, ladies? Only a few packages, and they're not coming back out. So once they're sold, they're gone. Just like the last ones. If you want them, you got to get your hands on them. Now, I do have enough to make another one of her, but not with the tags and everything else I'm going to be putting in. That's extra, or the cost goes up differently. So she's for me, but I do have enough to do one more of her. I do not of this one. The same, because she was loaded with I mean, these are all the 1,800 pages from those antique books, and she's loaded. This is a very rare that I do this, so when you see them, jump on them, because I don't do them like this to sell them. And now I'm going to keep her and add her in because, for one, they match my beautiful Shabby Chic place, and 2, I just love them. So only one more of hers, ladies, and this is gone. I'm going to continue on, like I said, I did the cover. So I'm going to continue using Instagram and doing 3-minute clips, which I'll be adding different things in, not just my journals, giving out some ideas giving out some ideas of how I got from where I did when I came out 10 years ago to where I am now, to give ideas for the ladies who are looking to get out there more. I'm going to be giving the tips out now. I'm not charging for classes or what have you. I did for some 20-year-olds because they're doing different things, like, you know, things I did there. Speaking of which, we just cut my hair this morning, cut out all that extra stuff we put in for all the videos. Those videos are done. The pictures are done, so now I can move on. So hopefully this makes you happy. These are my magazines. They're in Amazon. I'm going to start putting them in the link of the link tree. But the reason for the magazines, they're not all for printed. These are ideas, ladies. And, you know, other artists and companies like the Art Glue Company. She advertised with me for a while. And she's put my magazine out there. I don't even know how many sold. I don't care anymore. It doesn't even matter. But my magazines are for ideas. Like this is Book of Templates. This will tell you, this is on Amazon. This will give you ideas on designing journals. And what is that? Something a little extra. I have 2 of them. But the reason I did is because I'm going to cut out, I don't want to print out what's here because I'm just going to say this for instance. You can still cut out the photos and then you could put anything over the top of anything that's written on top of the photos to use. But I do have printable ones coming out where you could purchase it, like this one here. I don't know if this is active. I have to get in there. I don't think it is. No, this was the messed up one. They didn't do it correctly because the flowers should have, well, that one was right. And that one's right. No, it's right. This isn't the one that was wrong. Okay, so the flowers you can cut out and then that would be the backing. Or, okay, so this one is available out there. I swear this one is the one that was done wrong. But wait, let's see. I don't think so. I think this one's right. But anyway, I'm going to start cutting these out now and using these. So I do have these out there. I've had them out there since 2022. I started them in 2019. I have over 20 out there in Amazon. However, they're all over the place, and I'm going to get them all in one link. What are you doing? So I do have these out there. This is a Shabby Chic one. I'm working on a Shabby Chic one that's going to come out for the holidays, closer to the end of October. And then, see, this came out in 2022. And this was a magazine all about my journal business and journal life. And since then, we added the Shabby Painted Rose, and that's where we are. See, it gives you ideas on. So the magazine is ideas. They are ideas. This one, I can go on and on, but I don't want to make it all about this. But this one's the one that's messed up. See what they did? They were supposed to be putting the back sides. See what they did? This is all messed up. So the back side should be a solid print. But they sent this to me just to, keep it. But anyway, I'm going to use it anyway because it's here for use. But these are how beautiful they are. So you can cut that out and make that the cover of a beautiful vintage book journal. And that's what mine are about out there. So, yeah. I don't know why they did it. It was a boo-boo on their part, but it's no big deal. The back has some scrumptiousness in it. Look at it. So I am going to get back into it and fix the couple, put them all back out there, but I'll get them all in links. And, you know, before the holidays, once I get them all in, I'll bring them back out. But this one is definitely ready. That one is a good one. This one's a good one. And there's more. There's journal ones and what have you. But along the way, here on Instagram, everywhere else I'll put it. So I don't want to keep it much longer. It's Tuesday morning. I have orders galore. I have book of the month. I have series collections I'm doing. I have individual orders every day that these come out. I changed the profile picture due to what I'm doing and going through, and now it's just going to be journals along the way. That is why I do that, ladies. Completely up to you, but I use the profile picture as advertisement. It's free advertisement. I have sold so many journals between all of my sites because women will say, well, what's the one in the profile? Oh, yeah. And there you go. It's free advertisement. Everyone knows what you look like. So that's where I'm at. I will bring these back. I'm going to work on this all day. Today is Tuesday about this. I'll be back later this afternoon to show you what I've done. And I'm going to continue on like this every single day. New journals, new ideas, art journals. I have it all. See the magazines there? I'm going to start tearing up those magazines. They're going into journals. Lots of fun. See you soon.